Kasakai, Mumbai. After Delhi, Bangalore, Kolkata and Chennai, it's time to rate Amchi, Mumbai. So let's see what the city of dreams has in store for us. Talking about dreams, वैसे ये backseat तो काफी dreamy है यार. For a guy who's 6'1", ये legroom काफी मस्त है यार. Seriously. Oh well, let's not burn daylight. Time to get this show on the road. So let's go. Hi guys.
Hi.
Aditya.
Kush.
Ajay. Nice to meet you.
Same here.
So guys, I think I know the answer before I ask it, but I'd like to know anyways. How do you rate Mumbai as a city? Anything between 1 to 5 maybe?
Are you serious? 5 doesn't even come close, man. This is Mumbai. You need to set the bar much higher. I think this city deserves a 10 on 10.
Exactly. I love Mumbai. You love Mumbai. Everybody loves Mumbai. So, top marks to the city.
Fair enough. How would you guys then rate driving in Mumbai? What's your opinion there?
That's a tough one. Driving can be really tricky here. So, I'd say maybe 2 out of 5.
I would give driving 3 out of 5, but parking can be very tough here. So Mumbai gets 2 out of 5 for parking.
So now that your ratings are in, what say we hit the streets of Mumbai and maybe we can get you guys to change your ratings?
Sure.
Yeah?
Let's try it.
Okay. So here's your ride and here's yours. Off we go.
Let's go.
Let's do it. Yeah. Bro, वैसे Mumbai locals or your personal car? Which do you prefer, bro?
Well, both have their pros and cons. Fuel prices can be taxing, but you know, Mumbai locals, man, I mean, they take quite a toll on your senses, especially your sense of smell.
I know what you mean, bro. I know what you mean. I've experienced it as well. But, you know, honestly, I wouldn't worry too much about fuel prices if I were you.
How come?
Because unlike other badasses in town, you, my friend, have intelligence at your fingertips. Just check out that mode.
This one.
Yeah, this.
Oh, nice. You know, in today's economy, it's very, very smart to go eco at times.
Absolutely, bro. Intelligence makes all the difference, especially when it comes to savings.
Absolutely.
हाँ दादा कुछ रेटिंग चेंज हुई अब कि नहीं?
Nope. Fuel level change हुआ.
अच्छा.
I think I need to tank up soon.
Anyways, you guys want to happen?
Yeah.
दादा 3 हाँ? I think he can help you find a petrol pump here.
Me?
Yeah. अच्छा, show me your phone one sec. Check this out.
Nearest petrol pump 3 minutes away.
This is so much better than having just internet inside, right?
Yeah, man. You know, the internet is nothing if you don't have intelligence. That's what makes the difference. Yeah. We'll tank up the car later. For now, let's tank up on some vada pav, yaar.
These homes must be ultra luxurious, man.
You mean like soft touch leather
Yeah, man. Soft touch leather.
and cushion seats with lumbar support
Very supportive.
and touchscreen infotainment with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay?
Yeah, man. Touchscreen in. Wait, what?
I'm talking about these interiors. It's luxury delivered by intelligence. A whole new level of perfection.
Okay.
Intelligent, huh? Brother, you're here, huh? So, that was quite a drive, no?
Well, surprisingly, it was quite fun.
Unsurprisingly, for me, it wasn't.
So, I'm guessing that your ratings didn't change much then, no?
Oh, it's changed all right. It's gone much lower.
And yours?
Well, definitely much, much higher. I mean, Mumbai now rates much better on driving than it ever has.
See, I didn't want to say it, but I told you so. Facts are facts, people. Same roads, same conditions, but ratings completely different. Turns out, intelligence really does make the difference. Now, all you have to do is experience it for yourself in the new Nissan Kicks.